Hi guys, welcome back to the Game of Trading channel. This is Parko. Hope all are doing well. This video is about how to add money in Kite Zerodha through mobile app, and as well as how to buy shares and how to sell shares with live proof. Without any further ado, let's go to the topic. Today's topic is how to buy, and let me show you my current funds. It's just 730 rupees, and I'm going to add today 1000 for live proof for beginners. Through UPI I'm adding, entering 1000. Here is the proof that payment has successful. After adding that 1000, my account got increased with the amount of 1730 rupees. Got it?